Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best brands of super glue in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Super Glue Gel. The best glue in the market is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. One of the most important features that Gorilla Super Glue possesses is its ability to bond different materials like metal, stone, rubber, plastic, and paper, among others, thus offering you a return on investment. You can use the glue to do most of the bonding due to its multi-purpose features. Also, the Gorilla Glue Gel dries up very quickly after application, and you do not have to clamp your materials for it to bond. This is because of the super strong formula that the glue is made with, thus making it one of the fastest glues to buy. As if that is not enough, this glue comes with an anti-clog cap. You can, therefore, use the glue without worrying about clogging. Number 2. Our second best pick is Super Glue 15187. For durable and high-quality super glue, then Super Glue 15187 makes the cut. This glue is known for its ability to form strong bonds even in tight joints owing to its super strong formula in which it is manufactured. The Super Glue 15187 is ideal in bonding non-porous materials like rubber and metal, ceramics, aluminum, pottery, and wood, among others, due to its high viscosity and, therefore, can be used to bond different items made of different materials. Number 3. Our third best pick is STARBOND EM02 Super Glue. The STARBOND EM02 Super Glue is another glue that makes it to the top 10 best types of glue in the country. This glue is ideal for application in narrow slots, hairline fractures, and also pores due to its thin viscosity of 2 to 3 CPS brought about by the EM02 adhesive. The STARBOND EM02 Superglue can be used for multi-purpose due to its nature of bonding different materials like softwood, fossil bones, ceramics, and unpolished rocks, among others, thus offering you a return on your investment. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Professional Grade Super Glue. The Professional Grade Cyanoacrylate Super Glue, commonly known as CA, is one of the top super glues in the market, owing to its super strong formula which makes it very strong and durable. One of the powerful features that the Professional Grade Super Glue has is its ability to settle and bond materials using a short time of 50 seconds. You do not have to wait till eternity to bond your materials whenever you have CA on your side, thus saving time. Its method of application is straightforward, as all you need to do is apply the glue on the surface that you want to bond, join the two surfaces together and hold them in position for a few minutes. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Loctite Liquid Professional Super Glue. For the ultimate bonding of different materials, the Loctite liquid glue goes far and beyond in helping you achieve your objective. The glue is not only fast, but also very strong in the bonding of smooth and close-fitting materials due to its low viscosity and patented additive. This, in turn, helps you save a lot of time, which you would otherwise have used to clamp the items you are trying to bond. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.